Thanks for letting me come see your house. Wow, this is nice. How much did you pay for this? For all of this? Wow. I need to talk to your realtor. This is really nice. Okay. It's a little bit of a fixer-upper. I mean, that's expected with a house that's old. But I mean, are you planning on moving in right away? Oh, okay. You are. Very dark in here. Maybe there's not a lot of windows. I mean, you would expect a place this big to have a lot of windows, but you know. You didn't come back here when you came to look at the house? You didn't come see the house at all, and you bought it. Okay. Hey, the back of your house is almost missing. You're moving in right away, you said? Like right away? Not like waiting a couple of months? No, right away. Your roof is, it's almost gone. It's missing. What is this room? Spend the night. No. I can't spend the night here. You have no roof. No, I don't do camping. No, okay.